Okay, Capricorn, this is your September month love reading for the first week, and let's see what does the universe has in its space for you, what you are going to feel, what you have been through right now. This is also a yes or no reading, so have your question in your mind, and hopefully the universe will answer that question. I will also pull a love oracle so that I can tell you what is the message of the universe to for the future. And the Emperor in reverse, we have Three of Cups and the Tower. Okay, in the love oracle, we have, let's see what do we have. Just think about your question, whatever you have in mind, till the time I shuffle through the card. Girl with a snake, charmed or used, enable boundaries. Okay, so the Emperor in reverse says that somebody in the relationship is very controlling and very manipulative. I am getting this energy from your partner. So your partner here is trying to control you, and they are not respecting your boundaries, and they are not, there is no stability in this relationship. There is a power imbalance, and you are actually the one who is giving away the control. So I guess your partner is a kind of a person, you are a person who wants to socialize, be with friends, enjoy, live a life, but your partner, they are so controlling that they are telling you not to be with your friends, spend time with them, and they want you to move in the direction where they want you to move and not where you want to go. I am having a strong Aries or Cancer energy here, a strong Aries energy. And if your partner is partner's sun sign is Aries, I guess you should be very, you should tell them that they are crossing the boundaries, and they what they are doing is not right. And you want a equal relationship where you both are equal, and anything that you say or anything that they say matters equally. Now, by the end of the week, there is Tower. So what happened is this emotional turmoil that you have been going through will change the dynamics of the relationship. The moment you will be forced, and you realize this thing that they are actually not doing right with you, or maybe you will know about the real face of your partner. There is a sudden revelation about something, or there is a breakup energy as well. Maybe if you'll confront your partner, they will they will scare you with that breakup thing, that if you won't do what I say, then I'll break up with you and I won't be with you, something like that. And seems the energy for love oracle, the love oracle is suggesting that you are being charmed or used or emotionally drained right now. So your partner is very controlling. They are they are beautiful at the same time, so you don't want to lose them because you are very charmed by their beauty, or their their style, or the way they love you, you like it, you appreciate it. And because of that illusion, you are not able to see the red flags in your partner. So love oracle is suggesting that you should clearly set the boundaries. Okay, and you need to protect your energy, and don't let anyone take the advantage of your kindness. So the overall message here is that some revelation is going to happen which will shake you up, and at the same time it will free you from that controlling and unhealthy pattern that you have been going through. And it is time for you to realize that the meaning of true love is to me meant to uplift each other and not to chain you, not to restrict you. So you should tell your partner, if you are having a situation like this, you should go to your partner and tell them that you love them, you honor them, but then there are certain boundaries that need not to be crossed, and we need to have a healthier love so that you both can grow together.